PowerFamily.
Hey, what's up, PowerFamily? How you guys doing? Hey, what's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here. And today, I'm going to be unboxing this sweet Logitech webcam made by Logitech. It's a C270 HD 720p 30 frame rate per second. It works on Windows and a Mac. I'm of course going to be using it for a Mac for now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video with Power 99 FM. First, I need to get myself a knife. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I need to get a knife. This knife should work. I'll try this one. Knife acquired. On to the unboxing. Okay. So here we go. So, as you can see, this is a Logitech C270 HD webcam. 720p 30 frame rate per second. You can see the front of the box, the Logi symbol right there. And you can see the specs right here. Not the specs, the information. It says the flexible HD webcam that goes beyond built-in, small, agile, and adjustable. It brings a whole new angle to video calling. Right there. Specs, I guess, are in the back. It's an HD webcam. Make clear live stream calls on Skype or easily record videos. Built-in noise reducing mic. Enjoy clear conversation even in busy surroundings. It says it's the #1 selling webcam in the USA. That's interesting. It works on Windows and Mac. It's good for Skype, Google Hangouts, and FaceTime for Mac. That's what it says right here on the other side. And on the bottom, it lists the system requirements on the bottom. It's compatible Windows 10 or later, so you need Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, and it's compatible with Mac OS X 10.10 or later and Chrome OS, and it requires a USB port to use internet access, I guess, to set it up. Yeah, but it should just be plug and play though. It should. Mac OS X 10.10, I think, is, Lion is 7.7. Mountain Lion is 8. I'm trying to think. I used to know. Lion is 7. Lion is 7. Mountain Lion is 8. Maverick is 9. And Yosemite is 10. So it's Yosemite or later. So OS X Yosemite or later. So as That's good to know. So, here is right here. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. But first, before I unbox it, I want to give a shout out to my PowerFamily Mark and Cody, because if it wasn't for them, this unboxing wouldn't be possible. They got me this for my birthday. So I thank you so much, Mark and Cody, for buying me this for my birthday. You guys never fail to surprise me. Never fail. You guys never fail to surprise me, guys. Stay classy, yo. Stay classy. Always. So thank you so much, Mark and Cody, for giving me this for my birthday. I do appreciate it. So I'm going to unbox this right now. There we go. Let's see what this box has. Let's see. Oh, and we have the webcam right up top, right there. We have the webcam right there up top. Yeah, I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. Right there. That's cool looking. Oh, and it had a little tag. You just pull it out like this. Oh, now it falls out. So the box is empty. Oh, and it comes with some warranty information, I do assume. No, a setup guide. It comes with a setup guide. It should all just be plug and play, really. You shouldn't have to install anything. It should all just be plug and play. So, yeah, I guess that's it. As I expected it to be. So here is right here, the webcam, right there, looking all nice. And here's the mini USB input right here, and you just plug this into the Windows computer or the Mac computer, and you're good to go. It should just detect it automatically, and you should be good. And make sure you have Windows 10 or Windows 8, Windows 7 or OS X 70 or later for it to work. So there is the webcam. So that was a pretty nice unboxing. That was pretty nice. Nice and simple unboxing for today. So I hope everyone enjoys that unboxing video, and I hope everyone has a good day today. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more from the one, the only, the Power 99 FM. Peace and stay classy, yo. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace, Power Family.
Squab wait and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Well, at least she said the Power 99 FM good, so that's good. But the other stuff was just way off, though. Oh yeah. Wow. playing this on Legendary too. Because I'm a beast. You got me, don't you? I don't think so. Okay. You won't win again though. That's all I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Go get some rest.
Oh. That's okay. I'll get you next time.
Victor, battle, fight. Fight.
Oh yeah.
Battle 6. Fight.
Authorized staff only beyond this point. Guests must refrain. Authorized staff only beyond this point. Guests must refrain from entering.
Die, zombies, die. Yeah. Die, zombie, die. Ew. That's nasty. He's just chowing down. Having a good time over there, aren't you? You just chowing down, aren't you? You're having a good time over there. You're just chowing down. Yum, 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 yum. That tastes good, doesn't it? Num 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 num. Yes, that tastes good. Die. 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 There we go.
Menu is designed for your nutritional needs using our latest biological research. Please enjoy our tasty selection of healthy foods.
Okay.